Today we're going to evaluate this integral using the u substitution, and I like to have this what I call here the magic box, and this is where it all happens. It takes a complicated looking integral and it makes it into a more manageable integral using the u substitution. Typically you would use what's inside the parentheses as your u. Okay, so we're going to take the u and we're going to put it inside the magic box. So we know that u is equal to x cubed plus 1. Now we focus on the magic box. Immediately we take the derivative of u, which is du, and take the derivative of this side, which is 3x squared dx. Okay, if you notice, in the original integral, we have that x squared dx. And if you go to the magic box, you know that we have it x squared dx. The only difference is this 3 right here. And this is critical if you want to get the integral correct. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 3. So using a little bit of algebra, we divide the left by 3. And of course, whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. That leaves us with 1/3 du equals to x squared dx. Okay, and the object of the magic box is to take again the complicated integral in x, replace it with a simpler integral in u, and then evaluate. So we're going to take out what's inside the magic box, and everything that went in as an x is going to come out now as a u. Everything has to be accounted for. So notice, x squared dx will get replaced by 1/3 du. The x cubed plus 1 has a u, and we keep the 5th power. Now we're ready to integrate. When we integrate this, we get 1/3 u to the 6 over 6, which is u to the 6 over 18. Now we're ready to what I like to call resubstitute. Since we started our integral in x, we have to finish our integral in x. So basically replace the u, which was originally x cubed plus 1. Everything else keep the same. And don't forget to attach the constant of integration, which is required of all indefinite integrals. So now we're going to check our answer. Notice that I wrote down the original integral in white and the answer in red. Now we have to take the derivative of the answer. 6 times x cubed plus 1 to the 5th over 18, and you multiply this by the derivative of the inside, which is 3x squared. Okay, this is the chain rule right here. Now if we do a little bit of simplification, we see that 3 goes into 3 once, into 18 6, 6 crosses out that, and it crosses this out, and you're left with x squared times x cubed plus 1 to the 5th power, which matches our original integral.